Very good afternoon to all. So I am logambal. I am coming from Edapadi. So I did my UG in Vivekananda College of Engineering in the batch of 2002 to 6, and I completed my PG in Mahindra Engineering College, and I am having 11 years experience in teaching. Today we are going to teach about data types in Python. So before I enter into this subject, just I will give a small introductions about Python. So first thing I will discuss about the introduction about Python, and the second thing where the name has come from. Okay, so that is the second thing. And the third thing one I will enter into the different types of data types used in the Python and explain. So now I will explain one by one. So first one, it is introductions. Okay, so in this introductions, anyone know about where the name has come from Python? Okay, so I will tell you. So first thing, it was developed by Guido van Rossum. So he is developed by the Python in the year of 1991. Okay. And then, so why the name is Python, that name is coming from means, so he entered say he saw one there's a series, it is called as a Monty Python web series. This is the BBC television old series. So in this series, they are playing the series. It is a Monty Python. So this name, it is what means it is a very simple one and very comedy one. So that's why he gave a name as Python for this programming languages. Okay, so this is the way the name it has come from here. Okay, and the next thing, so first thing I'll give a introductions. Okay, so now Python it is a high level language. That is the one thing, and it is also called as a programming languages. Okay, and then so this I already said that it was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991 February 20. Okay, and the next thing is why I am studying Python. So now I clear about where the name is coming from and who it will be developed. Okay, and the next thing why I am studying as a student mind. Yes, so this is a different type of name, that is a Python. Why here this name it is a different. So as a student ask us why I am studying this. What is the purpose I am studying this Python? Okay, so the first thing, the Python it can be running in a different platform. So it can run as a different platform, like as we will take as a different types of Windows, and also for the Mac, Linux, etc. etc. Okay, so all the type of OS we can easily to run the Python, and it is also a simple English languages. Whatever the languages we all speak, the same thing we can write the Python programming, and it is also called as an interpreter languages, or otherwise it is an interpreter system. So you know that what is an interpreter? Yes, if you are typing the coding of Python, so then and there some there is a set of coding. Yes, so it is easily to run then and there. So if you are running this type of things, it is automatically you are going to getting the output. So that's why it is called as the interpreting system. Okay, so now I completed introductions about the Python and where the name is come from, and the next thing why I am learning a Python. Okay, yes, and next I move to the data types in Python programming. Yes, so the first thing, how we are going to installing the Python. We will tell us some installations about the Python programming. Okay, yes. So if you are using the, you are going to refer the website www.python.org. So if you are using this website, we are having different software is available for this Python and different version is available. So based on your system configurations, you are going to download it and you are going to install in your system. Just automatically install it. Okay, so this is a way we are going to installing the Python programming. And nowadays the recent version of Python is 3.13, but in our system we are going to using as a 3.7.0. So nowadays we are going to using this version. Okay, so this is a way we can install in the Python in the systems. And the next thing, how we are going to execute the Python syntax. Python syntax. So we are going to running in a two different platforms. So one is we are going to running as a command line. The another way of we are running the Python using file. So this is the two way we can running the Python programming. Okay. So let us see one by one. Okay. So the first one method is using command line. Yes. So command line means we just opening the command line argument. If you give us a command, yes, it is automatically open one. It is a black screen. You know that if you are opening the command prompt, it is automatically displayed in a black color. So in this, we are going to install it. If already installed the Python in your system, if once open the Python, it is automatically displayed. Okay. So and then, so if you are typing, it is a 3 greater than symbol, it will be displayed on the screen. So on the screen, just type print and then hello. If you are given like this means in your command line, if you only press the enter button, automatically it will be displayed the output as hello. So this is the one way of command line argument we are going to running the Python. The second way it is using as a file. Okay. So how means, so you are going to open one new notepad. So in that notepad we are going to typing this coding. So after typing the Python coding, and we are going to save the file name as file name .py. So the .py is the extension of a Python programming. If once we are going to create this file, yes, automatically we are going to run this file in the command prompt. Okay, yes. So in this command line, we just give as it is file name .py. If you give it like this and press enter button, automatically it will be running the coding and display the output. So here the same output just give us hello. Because of already I just saved some coding, there is a Python code in this name. So if one given this file name, automatically it will be run the program. Okay. So this is the two way we are going to executing the Python program. Okay. And next we are going to discuss about Python indentations. So do you know about this indentation? So I think all know about the indentation. Yes, so the indentation is nothing but, yes, so it will be give a space at the beginning of code line. Okay, yeah, space given beginning of your code line. Beginning of the code. Yes, so this is called as the indentation. It's nothing but we are not giving any spaces after that is giving a block code. Okay. Yes, if you are writing any commands or otherwise statements, we just given inside of a block. If you are given any spaces means it will be show the indentation error. For example, if 5 is greater than 2. If you given like this, so after that if you give a next statement, so it will be given the inside of the block. If suppose they are going to give us, we just give some spaces and print inside of the print statement, we just give us, for example, 5 is greater than 2. So just give like this. So and after that if you are once run this program, automatically you are going to get in the output. Okay. So the output, it is printed as 5 is greater than 2. So this is called as a indentation, that is without using for a indentation. If suppose with using the indentation means it will be show the indentation error. For example, the same example I have taken, 5 is greater than 2. Okay, so I will start the next statement. Parallel as if statement means print 5 is greater than 2. If I given like this means, yes, so this is called as the indentation errors, because of I am not declared the statement inside of the block. This is called as outside of a block. So here it will be take as a it will be show the indentation error. If you see like this error, automatically this comes in your mind. I will give some spaces in some other block of statement. Yes, so suddenly it will become. So once we are going to that is scroll all the lines of your program, and you can find out where we are going to given the spaces. Okay, so this is called as a Python indentation.